Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of NutriBullet 600 versus NutriBullet Pro 900. Watch till the end to know our verdict on which blender is the best. So the main difference between NutriBullet 600 and NutriBullet Pro 900 is the blending power. NutriBullet 600 has a 600-watt motor base, while NutriBullet Pro 900 has a 900-watt motor base. Therefore, the NutriBullet Pro 900 is a better blender because it has more blending power compared to the 600. It can blend even the toughest ingredients, such as ice, while making frozen shakes or smoothies. Speed. Both the blenders are fast while blending. However, the NutriBullet Pro 900 takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute to blend, depending on the texture of the items being blended, while the NutriBullet 600 takes twice the time. Therefore, the NutriBullet Pro 900 is better because it takes less time to make different beverages compared to the 600 model. Capacity. The NutriBullet Pro 900 holds up to 32 ounces of fluid, which is a large seating capacity compared to the 24 ounces that the NutriBullet 600 holds. With the NutriBullet Pro 900, you can blend many fruits at once because it can accommodate them. However, with the NutriBullet 600, you may need to blend your fruits or vegetables in more than one round if there are many. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is better because it holds a larger capacity of beverages than the NutriBullet 600. Comparison table. From the table above, you can tell that the NutriBullet Pro 900 is best for making many different beverages, compared to the NutriBullet 600. However, the NutriBullet 600 is smaller in size and suitable for people that may want a small blender that will not occupy too much space in their kitchen. Similarities. Both the NutriBullet 600 and the NutriBullet Pro 900 are dishwasher safe. It takes around 1 minute to wash the two blenders. Just remove the parts and clean them using your dishwasher. Verdict. So, which is better? The NutriBullet Pro 900 is the best blender because it has a high motor base power that makes it more efficient and powerful. It's also versatile to make different types of beverages. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. And if you liked it, please leave a comment to let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us. Thanks for watching.